going on, folks? It's your boy J Coop, back with another video, another vlog. Right now we pulling up.
Destination is on your right. Right.
Pulling up on this customer to do a tire change for him. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out. Oh, as you can see, we got him a donut on there. Oh. Alright, let's go.
Hey, how you doing?
Alright, how you doing?
Pretty good. I had a question. I guess I need to get air in that thing.
And
Yeah. You think you can run me up to-
I think I have a connection that'll be able to put air in
Oh,
there.
cool. That's handy.
Yeah, I think I got a connection in there.
How long you been doing this?
I've been doing it for a while, for a little minute.
Yeah.
You know.
Straighten up the wheels.
You can, yeah. Go ahead and get this tire out first, and we'll add some air into it. Been waiting for a while?
No, not much. It came pretty quick. Just took me a while before I could find somebody to come out here.
Oh, okay. Got the tire off. Straighten all this shit up in here. Add in some air up in here. Take a picture of it, put this back on.
always got to have those documents.
Yeah, they don't play about those. Alright, got that tire put on, got everything situated. Oh, let me get out of his way and close out this collar. We'll be on to the next one. I appreciate y'all checking this video out. You can comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time your boy Jay Coop upload a video. I surely appreciate it. I see y'all on the next one. Peace.